Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Beignet Mais. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh corn kernels, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 large eggs. Don't forget a teaspoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of sugar, and a pinch of salt. These simple components are key to achieving the perfect texture and flavor for your delicious corn fritters. Now let's prepare the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. In a separate bowl, beat the eggs and then gradually add them to the dry mixture, stirring until just combined. Finally, fold in your fresh corn kernels. Be careful not to overmix. A slightly lumpy batter is perfectly fine and will yield tender beignets. It's time to fry. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot or skillet to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop spoonfuls of your corn batter into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Use a slotted spoon to remove them. Once fried, transfer your beignets to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve them warm, perhaps with a sprinkle of powdered sugar for a sweet touch, or a savory dipping sauce like a spicy aioli. These crispy, tender corn fritters are a delightful treat, perfect as an appetizer or a side dish. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.